Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put negative number 2 go to the left. So number 2 that is about 1 plus 1. Now I need to use about reduction variable. So I will put about v equals to this one. Next, I need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over dx. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. First derivative of y, we have dy over dx. First derivative of number 1, you got about 0 because this is about the constant. So this one we change by v. This one we change by dv over dx. Next, I will put number 1 go to the left. So this one we put on the left, dx we put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have v minus 1 and v plus 1. So I need to put number 2 on numerator and denominator. About number 2, that is about 1 plus 1. And I will put dv in here. So I need to put v in here. That means I need to put negative v in here. Now I can do about factorization by negative v plus 1. So we have v plus 1 divided by v plus 1 and v minus 1 divided by v minus 1. So we have 1 over v minus 1 minus 1 over v plus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of v minus 1. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of v plus 1. The integration of the s, you got about s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. 1 plus 1 is about number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.